Hello world, Ethereal synchronicity 444 444. Always something. Ethereal synchronicity 444 reporting to you the world. This is just a quick video about glyphs. Glyphs are basically symbols. Glyph, like the word hieroglyph from the pyramids and the drawings. So anyway, these symbols represent the planets in the solar system and some other points in the sky that have been located or identified by astronomy and then interpreted by astrology. So anyway, it kind of starts with a distance as with the sun, and then the planets furthest away from the sun in general. So you've got the sun with the circle symbol, then you've got the moon with the crescent symbol, then you've actually got the other symbols which are a combination of circles, crescents and crosses of matter. So Mercury actually has a crescent on the top, believe it or not, a circle of spirit and a cross of matter at the bottom. Venus, the next sign, a circle of spirit and a cross of matter. And then you've got Mars with a circle of spirit, and then this here is not quite a cross of matter but essentially Earth's. Then you've got Jupiter, crescent of soul, cross of matter, and then very similar, but sorry, let me get that in. Then you've got Saturn, which is the cross of matter, the circle of spirit. And then you've got Uranus, two crescents of soul with a cross of matter tying them together and circle of spirit at the bottom. Then Neptune, a crescent of soul conjoined with a cross of matter, and Pluto, which essentially I guess is a Pluto is actually not the symbol that it should be in this list. Well, I'm not saying what it should be actually, let me get it right. There's more than one symbol for some signs, and Pluto is one of those signs, as it's a bit of a rule breaking sign. And Pluto has, from my memory, a circle of spirit, a bit like a Neptune. In fact, it's quite a lot like Neptune, with that little dot from Uranus in the top there. And then, yeah, essentially that would be what Pluto looks like. So it looks very similar to the Neptune glyph. Then you've got this, what that looks like a horseshoe. Oh my. Come back, come back. Then you've got this where it says the true node. Now, the true node is basically another representation for the north node. Now you've got the north node, the true node, the mean node. Mean node being the average. The true node being the precise location. And the north node is just the name for the actual node itself. Now the south point to the north node is always exactly opposite in the zodiac, or in the, yeah. So as you can see here, it says that the true node is at, or the north node is at 6 degrees Leo. So I can tell you without a doubt that the south node is at the 6th degree of Aquarius, because Aquarius is the opposite sign of Leo, and that is how signs work in polarities and pairs. So anyway, can't forget, how could I forget, my friend Chiron here, that actually looks like a key with a circle of spirit. Now Chiron, or many people pronounce it different, basically has a symbol that looks like a key turned on its side. And this particular sign is, or sorry, symbol and planet, or asteroid actually, is not the same as the rest of the planets, in the sense that its orbit is slightly different, in that it crosses the path of Saturn and Uranus in its orbit. Yeah, Chiron kind of breaks all the rules. The mythology of Chiron is that Chiron is half god and half man, and he was wounded in an accident which essentially caused him to suffer great pain throughout his life, and then actually he sacrificed himself for, I believe, a great grandson and half brother, the way mythology works, Prometheus. And Prometheus's claim to fame, I think people know, is that he stole fire from the gods and gave it to man. So anyway, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and yeah, peace and blessings everyone. Thank you.